Welcome to our channel. If you want to update the software on your Garmin watch to access new features and improvements, follow these step-by-step instructions for a smooth update process. Step 1. Download and install Garmin Express on your computer if you haven't already. Visit the official Garmin website and download the appropriate version for Windows or Mac. Step 2. Connect your Garmin watch to your computer using the USB charging cable that came with your device. Make sure the connection is secure and stable. Step 3. Open Garmin Express on your computer. The software will automatically detect your connected Garmin watch and display it on the main screen. Step 4. If updates are available, Garmin Express will display a notification showing the new software version and a brief description of what's included in the update. Step 5. Click Install All or Update to begin downloading the software update. Make sure your computer remains connected to the internet throughout this process. Step 6. Wait for the download to complete, then follow any on-screen instructions. Keep your Garmin watch connected to your computer during the entire installation process. Step 7. Once the update is installed, Garmin Express will notify you that the process is complete. Safely disconnect your watch from the computer by clicking the eject icon if required. Step 8. Turn on your Garmin watch and verify the new software version by going to Settings, About, and checking the software version number to confirm the update was successful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.